talk about it in Victoria and Vancouver because everybody's a non-binary barista. Everybody's fucking... The whole place is gay as hell, you know what I mean? They're like, yes, finally. Coming out here in Alberta to talk about it, kind of a different story. You guys have straight pride parades here. So you had one big one. It went all the way to Ottawa. Thing ever, to be honest. You get your little trucks and stand and honk outside the big the banger bus is coming. Like, oh, come on, dude.